Let me show you what to do if your mini drone actually doesn't want to connect either to your remote or also to your phone. So first, when it comes to the remote, so let me show you how to actually connect it. So first turn it on like this, and then on the drone simply push this power button and it will blink like this. Then on your remote, all you have to do to connect, basically you simply have to lift this up once and then lift it down. As you see, it starts to blink and then it's connected. So again, this is a process. And if you have some problems basically connected, basically maybe your remote doesn't respond properly, what you can do is you can simply take out your batteries from both devices, and that usually clears these problems. So on the remote control, both take out your batteries here, and also on the drone remove your batteries. And I suggest you to actually wait for maybe like 20 seconds before you actually replace the batteries on these. So, and then usually this simply clears these problems. So again, maybe even wait maybe like a minute even. So sometimes I suggest you to. And if you want to connect it to a phone app, so we have downloaded this app called Wi-Fi UAV. So it's available on Play Store and also Apple Store. So then simply turn on your drone, so again till it blinks. And then, yeah, basically let's open up this app. Okay, so it already had it open. So basically on this corner over here, once you launch it, you will have to basically select your Wi-Fi network over here, and it should create this network. So like it most likely will also start for you with this flow. So and simply we have to connect basically to this Wi-Fi network that this drone creates. So you see it says connected, no internet access, but that's what it should say. So this is what it should say. So and once we go back, as you see, yeah, basically the drone is connecting properly. So if you have some problems connecting, what I suggest you do is simply do a force restart on your phone, especially if you have Android phone. So yeah, basically sometimes basically these Android phones, yeah, basically have some kind of gremlins essentially. So yeah, they simply stop like responding when it comes to that. And to do a force restart on your phone, simply literally press your power button and the volume up at the same time, and literally keep holding it for maybe like 10 seconds till it shuts down essentially. And when it essentially shuts down, so it also will clear its cache and also the network settings. So again, once it turns off, we can release and simply wait till your phone actually boots up. So also, if you actually do this force restart on your phone, it basically once it boots up, also it will see what's actually wrong with this phone and try to kind of heal itself. So again, so yeah, basically if you should never actually see the Wi-Fi network, the problem actually probably isn't actually with the drone but with your phone. That's what I have found basically on these drones. And then you can again go back to your Wi-Fi settings and try to connect again. Hopefully it should work. Also, if you actually see this network being created but it's actually still not connecting and not working, I suggest you to actually literally like forget this network. So long click it and click forget. So essentially your phone actually will delete it. So yeah, basically, and then yeah, basically, so maybe also try literally restarting your drone to see if that helps. Yeah, basically, and try basically connecting it now once yeah, basically it has been like disconnected from the phone, and simply connect again. That also might help in some situations. Anyway, good luck.